You see guys, you can always make a 1 minute video or 2 minute video or whatever it is. You can always make a quick video about your thoughts and about what's going on in your mind, and giving those skills to people, and making sure you're sending content out to people, and making sure that you're talking much better, that you're much more fluent, that you're doing a better job for yourself because of how you saw, in terms of because of how you're speaking. And because of how you're speaking, you're making a difference, and you're doing something around life, and you're giving ideas, and you're becoming a much more thoughtful person, and you're growing yourself in some kind of way, and you're doing a good job, and you're trying to actually grow yourself. And that's the main thing. So you have to realize that when you're doing something around words, when you're actually when you're actually making content and you're doing something around life, you have to realize that there's a lot to say and there's a lot to do. So every single day, make sure you're every single day doing as much content as you can and living your life the best way you can.